Years passed and Simba growed into a young lion. He lived a happy, carefree, no worries life with his friends. But one day something happened that was not a no worries situation. A fierce lioness was about to spring onto Pumbaa, who was stuck under a tree root. She's gonna eat me, squealed Pumbaa. Simba rushed for help. Simba wrestled with the lioness, but then she realized she was his old friend, Nala.
Okay, just open that one and follow. Read.
You're alive, she said.
This way?
Go read.
This way?
That means
This way?
you're alive, she said.
We are there?
That means
So we
you're
call?
the king.
You're king now.
Nala told Simba,
Simba.
if you don't... Nala told Simba how Scar destroyed the Dry Lands. Simba, if you don't do something, soon everyone will starve. I can't go back. Well, you wouldn't understand, said Simba. Nala was disappointed too in her friend. Don't you understand?
I can't see.
You were
We are got three. We are got three.
You got 3?
and
Yeah.
left
Okay.
her
Go
friend
read.
alone.
I got three.
Okay, go read.
And
The
so
Mickey
she
Mouse.
went back
Okay.
again.
Mickey Mouse. See, look, Mickey Mouse. Hey, turn this way.
Keep reading.
Mommy, look.
No, just don't. Just read it.
Mickey Mouse.
That night, Simba laid by a stream, thinking he heard a noise and looked up. It was Rafiki. I know who you are, said Rafiki. You're Mufasa's boy. He's alive, and I'll show you to him. You follow Rafiki, come on. Simba followed Rafiki and wandered to the edge of a stream. As Simba looked into the water, his reflection changed shape and became his father. He heard Mufasa's voice. Simba, remember who you are. You're my son and the one true king. Then the reflection and Rafiki disappeared. I must return, decided Simba. Mommy, what disappeared means?
It's gone.
Oh yeah.
See, it's right there. See?
Keep going.
Eat this one.
Meanwhile, back at the Dry Lands, storm clouds
They could
had
make
gathered
cookie.
and a lightning bolt
You want some?
scorched at the earth.
You want some? You want some?
The dried
want some?
grasses caught fire. Huge flames swept toward Pride Rock, and a lion appeared through the smoke. It was Simba. Scar lunged at Simba, determined to kill him, just as he had Mufasa, Timon, and Pumbaa had joined the fierce battle that followed. The lioness drove back the hyenas. Simba finally heaved Scar over a cliff. Over a cliff. Scar landed to find himself surrounded by drooling hyenas. Simba was victorious. Wait. Simba took his rightful place as the Lion King. And once the land flourished. One dawn, the animals and birds made their way again to the foot of Pride Rock. Rafiki picked up a tiny cud. He showed the new princess, the daughter of King Simba and Queen Nala. To the cheering crowd below. The circle of the light would continue.
So what happened in the story now?
I don't know, Mom.
It's the end?
Yeah.
The
think so.
end.
The end.
You read it the end?
Yeah.
You like the story?
Yeah, it has no
The
author.
end.
Yeah, the end.
The end?
Yeah, the end.
So
Doesn't
yeah,
have
return
author.
it to the bookshelf.
I'm gonna make candle, Mom.
So no, it's time for bed now.
What about
Talk.
this? Huh?
Talk.
I can't.
I'm gonna make
Gotta get another book.
Okay. Say good night.
I'm gonna get another book.
Another book?
Yeah.
Wow.
What?